വരുവോരെ പോഷിക്കും നക്ഷത്രം നീസരുക്കോ ഇടമില്ല എന്നത് വഴികാട്ടും നക്ഷത്രം.
Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flock by night, then see a bright new shining star. Then hear a choir sing a song. The music seems to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.